Biometrics are used in all sorts of situations, such as security and customer tracking. There are different categories of biometric technology including iris, fingerprint, voice, fingerprint and palm scanning. It is important to know the differences between each type of biometric. When it comes to biometrics, there are four main categories. This category includes body prints, hand prints and footprints. These types of biometrics are used in security systems, access control, access management and environment testing. In security systems, biometrics are used as entrance and exit controls to identify people through their biometric qualities. They can also be used for voice recognition or fingerprint identification. Voice recognition biometrics is a method wherein voice recognition software is installed in certain systems to check whether a person is authorized to enter a restricted area or not. Footprint identification systems work on the principle of digital footprint. This biometric is often used to identify employees and customers in large organizations. In environments where there is a high risk of identity theft, fingerprint identification is used. These types of biometrics are usually used in high-security areas like banks, government buildings and hospitals. Fingerprint scanning is another biometric type which uses the principle of iris recognition. An iris is a colored mark that is found on the eye's cornea. Iris biometrics enable security personnel to determine an individual's gender, age and other identifying details based on the iris marks. Fingerprint scanning systems have become popular in most airports and government buildings because of the convenience they provide. Handprints are the oldest form of biometric used in security systems. They are also the most frequently used biometrics. Handprints can be compared to a fingerprint because they are unique to each person and can easily be duplicated. DNA biometrics is a newer form of biometric. It can neither be copied nor duplicated but is unique to its user. It is commonly used as an identification tool in security applications like credit card transactions. A DNA sample can be collected from a person and compared to samples in the database to verify the information provided by the user. Biometrics may either be handprint or fingerprint based. However, the current trend is moving towards using biometrics based on voice recognition. Voice recognition technology has already found use in automated security systems. These types of biometrics are mostly used in industrial and financial sectors because voice is a natural sound and cannot be copied or altered. There are several forms of biometrics. These include numeric, alphanumeric, speech, fingerprint, iris, facial recognition and retina scanning. Each of these is unique to its user and used to access particular areas of a system. Different types of biometric technologies can be used in different security systems. Some of them are becoming very popular because of their ease of use and ability to track people more effectively. The numeric biometrics are most widely used because they are fast and reliable. Using biometrics, it is possible to access a secured area in a matter of seconds. They are sometimes used for access control at airports. Numeric biometrics are generally considered the easiest biometrics to use. Fingerprint-based biometrics require the person to take their finger and print it on a piece of paper. This process is generally inconvenient and is sometimes not fast enough to meet security requirements. On the other hand, iris-based biometrics are a lot faster and convenient. Iris scanning is often used in security systems to identify individuals entering a building. Speech recognition biometrics can match voice recognition to determine names. This type of biometric is mostly used in security systems. It is however a disadvantage as it is difficult to match a name with a sound. Handwritten biometrics are the most common type used in security systems. Handwritten biometrics are quite distinctive and easy to forge. The number of types of biometrics currently used in security systems is growing. There are now over 500 different biometric options available. Security systems that incorporate biometrics have shown significant improvement in detecting illegal entries and exits. Improved detection of individuals trying to illegally enter the premises has led to an increase in security. This is techFrontPage YouTube channel. Subscribe our channel and keep in touch with us to get to know the latest tech updates. And feel free to visit our website techfrontpage.com. Have a nice day.